Hello everyone, welcome to Georgia Paper Crafts. This is Amber and today I am doing an unboxing video of the Spellbinders August 2019 card kit, Hang With Me. So I'm just going to open it up and we're going to go through it here. So obviously with every kit you do get a inspiration sheet. So this just kind of shows you how to create this card that they made here. What you need, how to do it, and it kind of gives you some more inspiration. It also tells you what's in the kit. So let's take a look. All right, let me just take all of this out and get rid of the box. I mean, look at all these goodies. There's so much. All right. Alright, so to start out, as with all the card kits, you get one thing of foam squares and some double-sided adhesive tape. I definitely use all the foam squares. This adhesive tape I don't use as much because I like to use a lot of glue, but it is nice to have around for other things, so that's always a bonus. Then you get 10 cards and 10 envelopes. These are white A2 size cards that are pre-folded and scored. Great to make 10 cards with. Then we've got this stamp set. This is the Hang With Me stamp set. And as you can see, it's really cute. It's got the sloth, some of the floral images. It says relax, slow down, it's your birthday, hang with people who make you smile. I like that. Don't hurry, be happy, take it easy. That's nice. A lot of times what happens for me is I wind up using the majority of the ephemera that come in the pack because you get so much and it's just so easy to make these that I wind up not using the stamp set. However, it's always good to keep it and you can go back and make more cards. So I know with the past kits I'm going to do that. So all right, then we've got this let's see, what do they call this? This is layered stickers. So some of them are popped up here. You've got the flowers and the sloth that says always dreamin'. The next page has just some sentiment stickers. And then the next one just has some more, these are translucent vellum stickers. So, Friday. It always seems impossible until it's done. I like that. All right. Then we've got the paper pad. This is a Hang With Me paper pad. And this is a full paper pad. Every month you do get a full paper pad with your set. And it's got all different pattern papers. It's interesting. I got two right off the bat of that. Kind of a tropical theme, relax. This is some people doing yoga or meditating. Interesting. Oh, I like that. That's almost like a basket weave in a pretty green color. Oh, very nice, different designs. These are single-sided. Wow. So that's where it starts again. I guess you get two of each. That's what it kind of looks like. Yep, two of each. Okay. All right. Then we've got the paper that comes in the set. This is 8 pieces of cardstock. You've got it in a brown, a pink, a blue, white. This is almost like a light green, That's grass green. And then that's a even different green. This is more of a aqua, I guess. This is more of a light green. And then you get this copper cardstock. And as you, I don't know if you can tell, but this does have a texture to it. Their paper does have a texture. It's not real heavyweight. I'd say this is maybe 65 pound at the most. Makes for some cute die cuts. Then we've got this die set. And every month you do get a die set that comes in the kit. And I'm just going to lay it out here. This one, this month, makes a sloth. So you get the pieces to make the sloth. So this is body and the head and the inner piece of the head right there. You've got the arms and the legs. And here's some inner, I think this makes the eyes, the nose, the feet. Then you get a piece to make a tree branch and some floral leaves. I say floral, it's really just leaves. And then some, there's one. There's the floral, so there's the flower piece. And this is just some separate pieces, flower pieces, another floral right there, and then these are the two pieces that go inside it. So what I did was I went ahead and die cut all these pieces so you could see what it looks like. And so here is my sloth put all together. So that's the body right here and the head and that inner face piece right there. And these pieces right here are the feet and the nose. And like I say, the good thing is you can get this guy to where he's kind of lounging on the tree branch. Just like that. And then you could surround it with some of the other pieces that I cut. So could just put some of this foliage around. You can cut this in all different colors, whatever you want to do. Got your two flowers. Then your little pieces here. I mean, you can even put this, if you want it to be a girl, you can even put it in the hair. So that's pretty much that, and it's a lot to make that, and it's really cute. Let me just take that away. Let's see, you get, gosh, this does not want to stay on here. It's because my magnetic board here keeps going towards it. Let's see, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 dies. Wow, that's pretty impressive. All right, and now these are the Hang With Me memory cards. Now, if you do journaling or anything like that, these would be great. However, I could see myself using these on cards, and some of the other people who make cards using these card kits on YouTube have used these. So you get some bigger ones. And let's see what this measures. I bet it's 4 by 6. Yep, 4 by 6. It says, go where you feel the most alive. I like that. I can just see myself, except for these plastic chairs. Those aren't comfortable. But anyway. Choose. Not in a hurry. I like that with the classic car. Wild Hearts Run Free on my playlist. I love hanging out. That's cute. Thanks for being you. Cute. Happy Thoughts. And then some women with their surfboards. Some guys with their ukuleles. Then you've got these smaller ones, and these measure, I bet it's 3 by 5. Let's see. Nope. That is just under 4 and just under 3. So just shorter 3 by 4. And it looks like you get 2 of these here. And you got one that says, they're on each side, so that's kind of nice. So it says dare to be different, and then you got a floral pattern right there. Don't just survive, thrive. Sweet little Sunday. Life lessons. Stay curious. First I drink the coffee, then I do the things. That's me. Gotta drink the coffee. And a cake. Discover. And back to nature. My life. I can't believe it. Blow out the candles. Diary. Lazy day, but it's okay. Today was the day. Vivacious, with a definition, full of life and good spirits. Happen. Gosh, I can barely read that. I'm getting old. Happy and lively in a way that is attractive. Sorry, that took me a minute. Make life epic. Life is peachy. This goes perfect with me as Georgia. We are living in Georgia, which is the peach state. Perfect. I'll have to use that. Reasons why. Beautiful minds inspire others. Now I like that saying. That's great. Relax because it's a sunshiny day, sun-drenched, sun-baked, sun-filled, sun-kissed, sunny, sun-sensational, all above. Nice. Positive minds, positive vibes, positive life. Again, good sayings. These are all positive things that I like to make cards out of, because who doesn't need a positive card? Everybody enjoys getting cards, but if they have a positive saying, that's even better. So enjoy it all. Life is about moments. The best day started like this. And don't start believing. That's funny with a leaf. Punny. And then some more women with their surfboard, a dog, a guy with a ukulele, and on the back it says adventure. I mean, look at all this. You get so much. There's tons of possibilities here. I'm already thinking about some. So put that to the side. All right, and then I'm going to pull this out. And I mean, look at this pack. You get so much in here. And the thing is that you don't just get one thing, you get 2 of each. So you get the hibiscus, some more flowers, some sayings, wild child there. I love lazy days, free to be me. Looks like some tickets, banners. True friendship, happy day, little warrior, surfboard, 2 surfboards, beautiful flag, go for it. Oh, look at this little, it's like a little shopping bag almost. It's cute. Take out the inner portion there and you could actually, cute, cute, cute. These all come out, these frames here. There's 2 of them. Major moment, 2 cakes, some flamingos. You guac my world, that's cute. The next big thing, hashtag time for myself. Some, looks like fruit popsicles. Whatever that, some kind of drink. Some tennis shoes. And you've got your leafy florals here. Got quite a few of these. Plants. Almost like some rugs. I don't know, or if they are supposed to be, not sure what that is. Anyway, headsets. Yeah, you can tell if you kind of pop the middle out there, you can kind of tell it's a headset. Got to be careful because they do start to attach and then you can rip it. It's cute. All things grow with love. Some bananas, more flowers. All of these are, I mean, this is just wonderful. I know I'm going to be using a bunch of these. Earth, world map, globe, basket with fruit. Looks like a, is that like a, it says do it. It's a sign of some sort. I don't know if this is supposed to be a radio or what, but get up and glow. Some limes, cute birds. Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. Again, love that saying. Some umbrellas. My, how you've grown. Water bottles, toucans, avocados. Looks like some charts, and of course your sloths. So, wow, that's a lot. All right, well, oh, how could I forget? I've got a little bottle here of sequins also. So these are some blue sequins that came in the kit. So looking forward to making some cards. Hang tight and you'll be able to see those shortly.